Is your same-sex marriage really protected? Can you confidently say that if something should happen to you today, your partner will be able to make medical decisions for you, financial decisions for you, or even inherit from and through you? You may be like, Megan, just December 13, 2022, President Joe Biden went and he signed the Respect for Marriage Act. Of course, my marriage is protected. I can tell you that I've seen that over the last couple months, the rollback of the right for legal abortion in states like Florida and Texas. You know that you can hardly get an abortion these days. And I like to say that when you see other people going through things, do not think that you are somehow better than them or excluded, because you know this saying that first they came for the right for an abortion. Next thing they're going to come for your right to be married. And when I understand the importance of my marriage, and I have many friends who have same-sex marriages, and I can tell you that I'm nervous for them, and I'm nervous for us, because if the right for an abortion can be eroded like that, even though it was set in stone, what we believe, that a woman's right to an abortion is sacrosanct. You can see that from the laws, just one court ruling in Dobbs, and then that followed on by other rescinding of the women's right to choose in different states, you can see how it's possible that your right to a same-sex marriage in a couple of years may be null and void. With that being said, I'm not trying to scare you. However, I want to make that present for you when you're doing estate planning and the need for an estate plan, because I do not believe that we can rely on the law remaining the same in a couple of years. And therefore, when you come to my office at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, I like to plan for worst case scenarios. And therefore, how I approach a same-sex estate plan is not the same way I approach opposite-sex marriage. I can't, because I live in a world where today you have that right and tomorrow you may not. If you want someone who actually is sympathetic and understand the ramifications of holding sacrosanct your marriage, you need to make sure that the estate planning attorney that you go to understand the complexities and understand the importance of an estate plan when it comes to a same-sex couple. Therefore, I like to treat each individual just as they are. They're individuals with individual and unique circumstances, and that requires important, very selective, and very direct and specific planning. My name is Megan Truick, lead estate planning attorney here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, and I respect your marriage, and therefore respect yours by having a good estate plan. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.